you can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, open your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on the apps option and now tap on search bar, search Gemini, tap on Gemini, tap on force stops. Okay, scroll down, tap on storage, clear cache and clear data, tap on delete. Okay, go back, tap on permission option and allow all permission. Okay, go back and go to Google Play Store, tap on search bar, search Gemini, tap on Gemini, check update your Gemini app. My Gemini app already updated to the latest version. Okay, or another option, now uninstall your Gemini app and again install your Gemini app. Okay, go back and now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. Now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back and open your Gemini app, and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.